Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Gemo feature on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you need a compatible device like iPhone 16, iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. Also make sure your iPhone is updated to 18.3 iOS or newer. To update, go to the settings of your phone, tap the general option from there, and you can see the software option from there, and make sure you have the latest version of iOS. Once your device is ready, open the Messages app, then tap on a conversation like this, okay, like this, then start typing a message and tap the emoji, okay, then you will see a new option called describe emoji. Tap it and type something like cat updates or cat in space. Then Gemo will generate some custom emojis based on your description. You can add more details to get better results. Once you find on you like, hit add, and it's ready to send. The more specific you are, the better the generated emoji will be. You can even adjust description to improve it further. After picking your favorite, just hit send and share your new Gemo. That's how you use Gemo. Remember, you will need iOS 18.3 or newer and a compatible device for this feature. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.